Yeah, I'm sliding through here.
Happy birthday, lemon pie to you.
Oh
Cause
yeah.
who want a lemon pie for their birthday and not a cake? This one.
Oh yes.
You
Takes me back right here.
You need to tell him the story. I'm gonna let him give y'all the backstory while I cut the pie.
I don't want no trouble.
Hey good people, welcome back to Ballards by Design. Y'all, we are making this lemon pie and it is quick and it is easy and it only requires 4 ingredients. Now, of course, I do a couple of things extra which I will show you guys, but the basic recipe is only 4 ingredients: cream cheese, sweetened condensed milk, lemon juice, and a graham cracker pie crust. All right? Well, y'all know what time it is. Let's get started. Okay, first things first, I am starting with softened cream cheese. Okay, this is 8 ounces of cream cheese, you guys, and I'm going to go ahead and add that to my bowl. Okay, to my cream cheese, I am adding my sweetened condensed milk. And you guys, the ingredients will be listed in the description box below. But I am telling y'all, it is so super simple to make. And this is a really good pie. Alright, I have my little cordless handheld mixer here that I'm going to use to blend these ingredients together until they are smooth. And again, y'all, I love this little cordless mixer. It works well. I'm going to leave a link for it in the description box if you're interested in purchasing it. Okay, now blend this together for maybe about a minute or 2. You just want to get it nice and smooth before you add in your next ingredient. Okay, so now that our first 2 ingredients are blended well, I'm going to go ahead and add in the lemon juice. I'm going to add in a 1/4 cup of lemon juice. Okay, so I only use a 1/4 cup to kick up the lemon flavor. I use a little bit of lemonade Kool-Aid, and not a lot, just sprinkle maybe a 1/2 teaspoon or so, if that, to the mix, and that really gives it an intense lemon flavor. The reason that I do that is because if you add too much lemon juice to try to get more lemon flavor, it actually makes the pie not set and you'll come out with a really creamy wet pie, and when you cut it, it just falls apart. Okay, so that's why I use that, just to kick up the lemon flavor. You don't have to. You can stick with a 1/4 cup of lemon juice if you want a milder, more subtle lemon flavor. Just a little tidbit for you guys. That's just what I do. You don't have to, okay? So your mixture is done and it's ready to go in your pie crust, but I told you I'd do a little bit of extra. So I'm going to do some yellow food coloring just because the mixture looks so pale, okay? And I like it to have the yellow lemony color because you kind of eat with your eyes too, right? So I put just a drop of yellow color gel into the mix just to get it slightly yellow. Just a little bit, guys. You see, I didn't put a whole lot, so you won't taste it or anything. And then once that's done, I add the mixture to my pie crust. After you add the pie filling to your pie crust, you want to go ahead and just kind of move it around, smooth it out to make sure it's evenly dispersed in your pie crust. Now, at this point, this is a tasty lemon pie. You can go ahead and refrigerate it to let it set up a few hours or even overnight, and it'll be great. But I told you I do a few extra steps, right? So I make homemade whipped cream. You can use Cool Whip or whatever you want if you desire, and you can serve it on each individual piece. But I'm going to go ahead and make it and put it on top of the whole pie. So to do that, what I use is powdered sugar, heavy cream, and cornstarch as a stabilizer, okay? And then at the end, I also fold in a little bit of vanilla. All right. So I am starting with 1 cup of heavy cream, also 1/2 teaspoon of cornstarch, and a 1/4 cup of powdered sugar. Okay, once you get your ingredients added to your bowl, we're going to take our handheld mixer here again, and we're just going to go ahead and mix this starting on low speed to get the ingredients combined. And then I'm going to kick it up to a higher speed, and I'm going to mix it until it forms stiff peaks. So mine has really began to thicken. However, when I checked it, it's not forming stiff peaks. They're still falling over, so I'm mixing it just a little bit longer. Now, this process takes a couple of minutes, so you want to be patient with it. Okay, my whipped cream is done. So now I'm going to fold in a splash of vanilla. And that's it, you guys, to making homemade whipped cream. And it is so creamy and so delicious. And y'all, you saw how easy it was. So if you want to give it a try, I suggest you do so. But that's it. Now we're just going to add it to the top of our pie. See how luscious and creamy it looks, y'all? So all you have to do is just go round about the pie, kind of making little swirls or whatever to cover the top of the pie filling to make it look a little cutesy if you want to, guys. Okay, so I love the way this looks. Now, I don't normally do this, but I'm going to do it this time because I have some available. I have some graham cracker crumbs, and I bet y'all say, what happened to them 4 ingredients? I know I keep adding stuff, but it really is 4 ingredients if you make the basic pie. I want to add a few little graham cracker crumbs to the top just to make it, you know, a little more cute. That's just what I want to do because it's for hubby's birthday, okay? You ain't got to do it, but that's what I'm going to do. So, y'all, now it's done. For real this time, I'm not adding nothing else. I'm about to put it in the refrigerator. So I'm just going to put the lid on, refrigerate it for a couple of hours, and we'll be back to let hubby taste it. So y'all stick around for a little bit longer, just a little bit longer, okay?
Hey, we out the refrigerator. It's been refrigerated for probably about 4 hours, 3 or 4 hours, because I made it this morning. So it's time for the daddy to come and have a piece of his birthday pie.
Yeah, I'm sliding through here.
Happy birthday, lemon pie to you.
Oh,
Cause
yeah.
who want a lemon pie for their birthday and not a cake? This one.
Oh, yes.
You
Takes me
ready?
back right here.
You need to tell him the story. I'm gonna let him give y'all the backstory while I cut the
Hey,
pie.
I don't want no trouble. I'm just going to say that we used to fight over these. My Aunt Pat used to make them. And, hey, I said, baby, I don't have to fight anymore. Trina makes those for me now. And she was like, what?
Cause I can make it for my man myself.
So I said, hey, I let the brothers and Uncle Dunn have at it. I'll just have a slice at home.
Cause baby, let me tell you, I love Aunt Peg, but she be like, what? What? Who taught her how to make it?
Can't smell it when
Baby,
it's
'cause
cold,
you can't
but I
get
tell
no
you,
past
it's good. You see that? Yeah.
I put some extra little graham cracker crumbs on top for you this time.
I see.
You ready?
I am ready.
How big of a piece you want?
Just give me a decent slice.
Decent.
Yeah.
Alright, decent. How about that?
That's perfect.
Right? Ooh, it's so pretty on the inside.
For us.
Let them see the inside.
Oh, I can show it. You see that? For us.
Ah, yeah. Wait a minute. Let me make sure I get a good view. There you go. Booyah.
Yep. Just like it need to be. Now that's how I'm going to get down right there, y'all. This one's for you.
Happy birthday, my love.
Yay, thank you. Peace, family. I got a pot to
For the
eat.
babies. Okay, y'all. Thank y'all so much for spending some time here with us again at Ballards by Design. We love y'all big, and we'll catch y'all on the next video. And don't forget, like, comment, subscribe, and share. See y'all next time. Bye.